CR 6673. All right, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 4 years. The state recommends community supervision. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. No contact with Charles Tompkins and Wendy Kennedy. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Guilty, and the court is going to find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We could, Judge.
Why did you do this?
I did not do it, but
Oh, you want a jury trial?
no, I mean,
Because it's saying
far
he
as I'm
has bruises
concerned,
on his body. It's saying he has bruises on his body.
yes, ma'am, understand that. That's what I was told, but he didn't have bruises when he left my house, but taking it because I just do not want to be in Bear County anymore because apparently toilet paper is contraband.
Yeah, but I'm talking about you hitting your stepson. Did you
not.
hit your biological? Have you ever hit your biological son with a
I don't
belt?
believe in capital punishment.
Well, no, this is not capital punishment. It's corporal punishment.
Spanking or corporal punishment at all.
Mhm.
But
So you're saying he's making up the fact that you hit him.
Right from the start, you can feel the tension in the room. He's denying everything, but the bruises tell a story that words can't fully cover. You hear him try to explain it away, and there's this awkward mix of disbelief and fear, like the courtroom is holding its breath. This is the kind of moment that makes you lean in, because you're already sensing that what's coming next is heavy.
All right, anything else from either side?
Nothing further, Judge.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There is going to be an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Wendy Kennedy and Charles Tompkins, Tompkins, the BIPP program, CPS compliance, if applicable, parenting classes with triple P, 100 hours of community service restitution, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors until completion of parenting classes. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, field visits, one time every 3 months. I want it random.
And then the sentence hits. For years, probated for 8, no contact, parenting classes, 100 hours of community service. The list is long, and it's deliberate. You can feel the weight of responsibility landing squarely on his shoulders. The court isn't just punishing him. It's trying to prevent more harm, protect the victims, and make sure he doesn't slip back into dangerous behavior. It's a stark reminder that actions have consequences, and the law isn't just words on paper.
The violence that took place against Charles changed our lives forever. I admit you were a father figure to him, his father's best friend, and on that day you stole so much from him. It took a year for him to not have a nightmare every night, 4 months to physically heal from the bruises, and he still has not recovered from it mentally. You said you loved him and that you would protect him no matter what, and instead, the rage and abuse bestowed on him shows that you are the person he should have been protected from. Charles looked up to you and loved you since you were around so much after his father, your best friend, passed away in 2016. He barely has memories of his father, and it breaks my heart that all the good memories he has from you are now destroyed by your abusive behavior that day. Not to mention how you traumatized Archer, who was only 3 at the time. He still remembers and talks about it. It also took almost a year for him to stop having nightmares, waking up screaming and crying, and checking on his brother to make sure he was okay. Your actions tore your family apart, and you need to accept and take responsibility. Even though you know you did this, right after you harassed me, spammed my cell phone number out on the web so that people would call me and text me for sex and try to justify all your actions. You need help, and I pray that you will get help. The torture you bestowed on us, no human should ever have to live with and go through. I will keep you in my prayers that you will accept and admit everything that you did and not make excuses.
This part, it's gut-wrenching. The family's voice trembles as they recount nightmares, stolen innocence, and trust shattered. You realize the impact isn't just physical, it's emotional, and it lasts years. Listening to a child describe trauma like this, you can't help but feel anger at the betrayal and sadness for the healing that will take a lifetime. Moments like this remind us why the courtroom isn't just a legal space. It's where human stories collide with accountability.
2023 CR 0058, State of Texas versus Jose De Jesus Gallegos. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Beerhan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Bowood on behalf of Mr. Gallegos, present, we're ready, Judge.
Are you Mr. Gallegos?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on May 1st, and we're set today for sentencing. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. All right. Counsel, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, just the reason we didn't go into the plea or the sentencing when we were in here earlier is he is not a U.S. citizen.
Yes.
So we had MAC involved. They prepared me about a 6-page memorandum on his immigration consequences. And he has received a copy of it. We've gone over it. We're in agreement to proceed today.
All right, Mr. Gallegos, are you asking to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I have to pause here. The judge isn't just reading conditions. She's speaking directly to the human being in front of her. She talks about kids, their brains, and how they absorb everything around them. This isn't legal jargon. It's life advice delivered in a courtroom. And it hits because you can see the tension between authority and empathy. It's the kind of guidance that could change a parent forever if they actually listen.
Here's the thing. You have children at your house. You can't be smoking marijuana because guess what? Even if you smoke marijuana and it's in your backyard or not at your house, the children are going to smell it and their little brains are developing. And you don't want their brains to be smoking marijuana. Would you give your children marijuana to smoke?
No, ma'am.
When you come in from outside smoking marijuana, that's what you're doing. You might as well pass them a blunt.
I understand.
So you need to stop.
Yes, ma'am.
They don't need to be around that, and they need you to be 100% focused on them because everything that you do, children imitate. That's how they learn to speak. When you see a little child who's using profanity, you know where they learn that from? People that they're around. So you're going to have to be a better parent, a parent that they can be proud to say, that's my dad. You understand?
Watching someone admit to failing probation is uncomfortable but revealing. You can see the mix of fear and resignation, especially when he confesses he didn't even try to report or get help. It's like a spotlight on personal choices that cost him years of freedom. You feel both frustration and a strange sympathy. Human flaws collide with legal consequences here in real time.
State of Texas versus Stephen Allen Smith. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks of the state of Texas.
Defense?
Amir Memorial, Your Honor.
And are you Stephen Allen Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Smith, I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I did.
Are you the same Stephen Allen Smith who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 5003 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on September 20th, 2022 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Stephen Allen Smith, defendant there, failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November, December 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
The state will waive and abandon the further allegations.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Smith, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, Court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is that you grant the motion, revoke the defendant's probation, sentence the defendant to 3 years in TDC, and taking that into consideration, the state will make a motion to dismiss on cause number county cause number 707-669 and grand jury number 797-070.
All right, so state. I'm just writing that down, and those numbers you're calling out were very quick. So can you imagine the court reporter? We're supposed to be making everybody's job easy today. So what cause numbers are you taking in consideration?
My apologies, Your Honor. That is county cause number 707-669 and grand jury number 797-070.
Oh, I got it right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement, Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation. Has he done anything on probation other than not report?
Your Honor. No.
All right, what have you done?
I have not done anything for preparation, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Defendant Alan Smith.
All right, why have you done nothing for probation?
I had a drug issue and didn't want to go into report to take drug tests, so I just didn't go.
And then the hammer falls. For years in prison, family violence finding, mandatory programs. You feel the finality in the air. But there's also a small thread of hope, therapeutic options, drug treatment. It's a reminder that even in punishment, there's space for redemption if one chooses it. Watching the judge lay this out, it's impossible not to feel the gravity and the weight of responsibility that's now fully unavoidable.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to grant the motion. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, taking consideration 707-669, grand jury number 797-070. And I'm going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison and give you credit for any time served. Mr. Smith, the problem is you did nothing. I mean, you really should be receiving the 5 years because you did nothing except for report one time. You understand? I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a felony conviction, because there's an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a drug issue, if you want, I can recommend you for the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. But if you're accepted in the program, they can help you with any drug issues you have. Would you like me to recommend the therapeutic community?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you're still going to have to request it though. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Do better, all right?